As you are starting to work in Adobe Photoshop, some basics we need to know. The Adobe Photoshop work area includes menus, toolbars and panels that give you quick access to a variety of tools and options for editing and adding elements to your image. Okay. In Photoshop, you primarily work with bitmapped digital images or continuous tone images that have been converted into a series of small squares or picture elements called pixels. You can also work with vector graphics, which are drawings made of smooth lines that retain their crispness when scaled. You can create original artwork in Photoshop, or you can import images from many sources such as photographs from a digital camera or mobile phone, stock photography such as images from Adobe Stock Services, scans of photographs, captured video images, artwork created in drawing programs, etc. Let's begin with starting Photoshop and opening a file. When you start Photoshop, it displays the Start Workspace. At the top, you see Work and Learn view headings. In the middle, if the Work view is active, you will usually see a list of recent documents you have opened, although the list is cleared every time you reset Photoshop settings. From recent document area, you also can open CC files or Creative Cloud files and LR photos or Lightroom synced photos. Okay, let's come to the part creating a new Photoshop document. To create a new document in Photoshop, we use the New Document dialog box, and there are a few ways to get to it. One way is from Photoshop's home screen. By default, when you launch Photoshop CC without opening an image, or if you close your document when no other documents are open, you are taken to home screen. The content of the home screen changes from time to time, but in general, you will see different boxes you can click on for learning Photoshop or for seeing what's new in the latest version. And if you have worked on previous images or documents, you will see them displayed as thumbnails that you can click on to quickly reopen them. To create a new document from the home screen, click the Create New button in the column along the left. Another way to create a new Photoshop document is by going up to the File menu in the menu bar and choosing New, or you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. Any way you choose to create a new document opens the New Document dialog box, and there are actually two versions of this dialog box. We will start by looking at the default version, and then I will show you how to switch to the older, smaller version, which I personally think is better. Along the top of the dialog box is a row of categories. There we have Recent and Saved, plus Photo, Print, Art and Illustration, Web, Mobile, and Film and Video. By default, the Recent category is selected, and it gives you quick access to any recently used document sizes. To choose one, click on its thumbnail to select it, and then click the Create button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box, or you can just double click on the thumbnail. Along with choosing from recently used document sizes, we can also choose from preset sizes. First, select the type of document you want to create by choosing one of the category, such as Photo, Print, Web, and so on. Along the top, I will choose Photo. Okay. The presets will appear below as thumbnails. Only a few presets are displayed at first, but you can see more by clicking View All Presets Plus. Then use the scroll bar along the right to scroll through the presets. If you see one of that suits your needs, click on its thumbnail. I will choose Landscape 18:10. Okay. The details of the presets appear in the Preset Details panel along the right of the dialog box. After choosing the Landscape 8:10 preset, we see that sure enough, this preset will create a new document with a width of 10 inch and a height of 8 inch. It also sets the resolution to 300 pixel per inch, which is the standard resolution for print. If you are happy with the settings, click the create button in the bottom right of the dialog box. This closes the new document dialog box and opens your new document in Photoshop. It's only the first class. There is many more things to learn in Photoshop. Join more classes with me. Thank you.